Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to like games on Roblox. Liking a game is a great way to support your favorite creators and also help you easily find them later again. So in order to like a game, first of all open up Roblox application on your mobile device and log in. Now once you're logged into the account, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and write down the name of the game you want to like. After you type in the name of the game in the search result, go ahead and find the game and tap on it. Now in the pop-up, click on the three dots at the bottom left and then click on favorite. Once you do that, you'll be able to mark the game as favorite. Now go ahead and click on the more button at the bottom right, and right after you do that, you will be able to mark the game as favorite on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.